Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can upload your music to Spotify and other streaming platforms for free using MyGroove. So what you want to do is once you go to the link in the description to this website, and yeah, so what you want to do now is when you go to My Releases, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to press Add New to add a new release. As you can see, I already have 3 albums in this account, so yeah. So it's give you two options. I want to upload my music to Spotify, or I don't want to distribute my music. So yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna pick since you wanna distribute your music to Spotify, I'm gonna pick select the first one. And once you've clicked the first one, it should show this page. So what you wanna do now is wanna press artist name, and my artist name is actually Call Me Kele. So I'm gonna pick that, and it already shows me the name. So my release name, I'm just gonna do like a I'm just gonna do a fake release. So I feel like I have some files on my computer which I my unreleased songs. So yeah, my release name is gonna be Friends. I'm just gonna do a random one. I'm gonna delete it later, but my genre, let me just leave that for now. So my release year is obviously 2022, and influences. Perhaps have no influences. Yes, I'm too active. This is not a live performance. I have not released anything. No, no. Yes, I think I use a lot of samples. So yeah, I have to check that one out. So yeah, so let me plug in my flash drive real quick and to get back into the tutorial. So I think I have to disconnect my mouse. Alright, we're back. So as I was plugging my flash drive, I actually unplugged my headphones, which has my microphone on it. So very sorry about that. So I'm gonna go to my flash drive. Let's go down. I don't really have. Okay, I have this song. So it's actually called No Fans, but I'm just gonna call it Friends. So I don't really have any RSCs for my song. So yeah. So I want my groove to assign new song RSCs for me. So I'm gonna press next. Cover upload. I don't have a cover right now, so I'm gonna pause the recording and quickly get a file from online. So okay, guys. So I've actually installed an image, a 3000 by 3000 image. So here it is right here. It's called Planet.gpg, and here like how it looks like. I just installed from randomly from online. So I'm gonna press crop. So I'm gonna press submit. Then it's gonna upload it, and yeah, I'm gonna press next. And the final touches is the language is actually English. I don't know why I picked Dutch randomly, but oh, there it is, English. So I don't have a UPC for this album. I want Mangrove to promote my music. Actually, I already have a Spotify page, and my Spotify is called Call Me Kelly. Follow me, by the way. So shameless plug. And yeah, so that's pretty much the ending of this. And yeah, so. As you can see, I have 0 monthly listeners, which is pretty sad. I really want more listeners, so make sure to follow me on Spotify and listen to my music. It's really good. I work really hard on them, so yeah. I want my priority to be immediately, so I'm gonna press submit. Wait, fill all requirements. What did I do wrong? Okay, guys, I forgot what I did wrong. I actually didn't set my genre, so I'm gonna do that right now. And I know it's hip hop slash rap, so I'm just gonna click hip hop slash rap. So yeah. Or can I just pick rap? Does that work? Well, I can just pick rap. It's actually rap. So yeah. If I go down to finish, go to next, 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 and submit. And as you can see, the upload has finished. The release has finished uploading to Mangrove. So what all you have to do now is wait. The waiting time actually lasts for, let me say, 5 to 7 days. And yeah, so if that depends if there's no problems with your track, perhaps copyright issues. Perhaps you had one of your samples that you use is copyrighted. You can and you have to change some stuff. Yeah, it's just like if there are issues. It won't be 7 days. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.